or if they were closed, that only that class could be.
Yeah. Two ranger. Coming towards you, brother.
Fucking skeleton.
Who the fuck is shooting me?
Nice! Jump down on his ass.
He's on me.
Oh shit, right here. He's up top. Got it back. Oh! Oh!
Like he did the Matrix.
Yo! Did you see it?
I saw that clearly, G.
Yo! It's about that. Of course, the skeleton's on the brother. Yeah! Gee, that's beautiful. See that? We're like, fuck the NPCs in there.
Gee, they were shooting me heaps, the motherfucking NPCs, bro.
I fucking died to one.
Yeah, I copped about 8. It's in my inventory. Oh my gosh. Get him, brother! Oh, he's fucking Irish nice, G! Fucking beautiful! Who's the other cunt? Is he upstairs? Let me see.
Fuck.
Oh shit, wait. Oh, he's coming to me. Oh, I just missed, I'll go around. No!
Oh.
I love that panther double jump.
Yeah.
That's badass.
Fuck yes, bro.
But I know it might keep you vulnerable, right?
That keep it safe. Because I can control where it goes. I could use it to dodge things and everything. Panther itself is what makes me vulnerable, because Panther's not tanky like that. You gotta learn to stand on this stuff, my nigga. It's the good stuff.
I heard it. I heard it pop. I was like, oh, my nigga.
I'm with the burps now.
Yep.
There and there.
I'll go into the state.
Heal up, boys, heal up.
Yeah.
Go.
Nice.
Nice battle.
Fucking
Bitches.
sick round, boys.
Yo, so the 7 kills, that's sick.
Oh,
Brother.
shit.
Topping off.
Fucking hell, might have to clip that whole shit.